Hey guys, welcome to Tech Creators. My name is Divasar Vimal, and today in this video we are going to create a Discord bot with the help of ChatGPT. We will be using Node.js as our backend language. First of all, let me remove this. This is very funny. Okay, now it is better. So if you haven't seen my previous two videos on creating a chatbot for a general case and for WhatsApp, then I will provide the link in the description. You can check it out. Now let's create a Discord bot. So let's get into the video. So we will divide this creation of Discord bot with the help of ChatGPT in two parts. First part will be configuration of bot on Discord, and second part will be actual implementation with in Node.js. Okay, so let's get into the video. So first of all, we have to go to Discord and click on this button of creating add a server. So let's add a server. So if you don't have account on Discord, then first of all you will have to create an account on Discord and then uh, proceed with these steps. So let's add a server. Let's click on create a server, create my own for a club or community. Let's name it as Tech Creators Server. Okay, and if you want, you can upload an image here for the server. I am not uploading currently. And here our server is ready. Introducing app directory. Okay, so I will click on not now, and after that you can see our server is ready with only one person on the server, and that is me. So we have to first of all add a Discord bot to our server, and then we will integrate it with the chat GPT using Node.js. Let's create a new bot for our server. So go to this URL discord.com/developers/application, and inside that you have to click on new application button here. Let's name it as Tech Creators Bot and click on agree, and let's create. So here we have created our bot, and we will have to do some configurations for the bot. So we will do that now. Click on bot tab and click here to add bot. Yes, do it. So add a bot to this app. So now from here, click on view token, and you can reset a token. So yes, do it. First of all, reset a token once, then copy the token from here. So this token will be used while we will implement the Discord bot on in Node.js. So we will need this token. So make sure you copy this token somewhere safe. And down here we have to go to message content intent required for your bot to receive message content in most messages. So you have to click on this and turn on this setting. So we have to turn on this setting for the bot to be able to receive some message and be able to react to some messages. Now go to OAuth 2. So after going to Auth O2 tab, click on a new browser tab and paste this link, which I will provide you in the description. And here you have to provide your client ID, which you will see in the Auth tab, which we just turned on. So copy this client ID and paste it here. So this will be used to connect our bot with our application, and click on enter. So now here it shows some settings. So we have to first of all give access to this bot for our server. Let's click on select a server and select your server, Tech Creators, and after that authorize the bot. Click on I am human. So now you can close this window or tab, and if you will see, we have received a message, and here is our bot created, which is currently offline, as you can see here. So now the configuration of bot is done in the Discord, and now it is time for implementation of bot's logic in Node.js. So let's do it. So I basically forgot to start my recording, and later on after completing the code, I saw that recording has not started. So now I will just explain the code line by line, and it will be clear. First of all, what we have done is we have created a new project, code.txt. I will just create this file, and first of all, we have done npm init -y. So we have initialized npm, and after that we have installed some of the dependencies. So I will show you all the dependencies. So you have to write npm install, and all of the dependencies are here. So it's body parser, so body parser dot env arrays express and openai. So here you have to write dot env arrays openai express and sorry, body parser, body dash parser, and then you have to click on enter. So you have to write all of these commands in the terminal. Okay, open terminal from here, write all of these commands in the terminal. After installing all of the dependencies, and after getting all the secret key from OpenAI API and from the Discord bot, create a new file .env, name it as .env, and store all of the token and secret key in here as a string. And after that, create a new file called bot.js, and inside that, you will have to require arrays, OpenAI with configuration object and OpenAI API and .env. So you have to require all of these in the top, the first three lines, and I will just put it down. It's a very small code, so it's only 40 lines of code. So yeah, we can do this. So const configuration, create a new object configuration, and inside that object pass the API key, which is process.env.openai secret key, which is inside your .env file. And after that, you have to pass that configuration object in the OpenAI API. So like that. And after that, you have to create a new bot with Aris. So Aris helps us to create the Discord bot very easily. It's a lightweight plugin. And after that, you have to pass in the Discord bot token, which we got from the Discord. And you have to pass the intent object as array with guide messages. And after that, in the async function run completion, you have to pass the message which we got from the Discord and create a completion function. Inside the completion function, you have to pass the object with the model as text Da Vinci 00, which is the same model which is used by ChatGPT. And inside the prompt, we will pass the message to which the ChatGPT will respond, and the token will be max 200. Then after that, we have to return the completion data dot choices at index 0.txt. So basically, this is our response which we got from the chat GPT, so which is inside data and which is at index 0 of choices. After that, when the bot is ready, so this is a event. When the bot gets ready, we will console log that bot is ready. If there is some error, so we will console log the error. So these are all the event handlers. When we get a message create, then we will pass that message inside the callback function, and if the message starts with hash, then only our bot will respond to it. So then only we will pass that message to run completion function, and we will remove the hash from our message, and we will pass the next substring to the run completion function. And after getting the response, we will take that as a result, and we will create a new message with the help of bot.create message, and we will pass the message channel ID. Inside that, we will pass the result. After that, to run the bot, we have to call bot.connect. So this was the 39 lines of code. So if you just now write node bot.js, so bot will get ready. Okay, so now let's try and let's answer the main question. Let's type hash. Is humanity in danger with AI? Let's see what this AI tells us. The short answer is it depends. Ooh. Artificial intelligence is a powerful technology that has the potential. What is subscribe on YouTube? Now you got the hint what I am trying to say. Subscribe. So if you like this video, do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such kind of videos. And if you haven't seen my two previous videos with creating chatbot with ChatGPT for WhatsApp and for in general, then I will provide the link in description. If you are web developer, then you should definitely subscribe to my channel, as I will be putting more and more kind of tutorial and informative videos. I will provide all the links in the description. Okay, bye.